In this video, we will show you how to import bitmap images. As already mentioned in our import images video, bitmap images are those we capture with a camera or those we usually find on the internet. Such images are made of dots of color. When you import a bitmap image, you need to select how it will be handled. The procedure is simple. First, use the open icon to locate any image you like. Find the bitmap image you want and open it. A dialog appears showing the selected image and the available conversion options. No matter the selected option, let's see all options available to manipulate this image. For example, using these handles that appear on the outer edge of the image, you can select just a portion of that image. You can further move or resize that portion if you are not satisfied with the initial selection. You may also click and drag on top of the preview to create a new selection. Or use this circle icon to reset the dialog. On the lower part of the dialog, you may choose to change the resolution of the imported image by editing the width, the height, or the DPI values. Change the value and then press Enter to apply the change. The image resolution will be proportionally changed. If you select a portion of the image, then this portion will be resized. Notice that images of high resolution need a high-end computer. Of course, not all of us have a high-end computer. Therefore, the software automatically scales down high-resolution images upon loading them to match your hardware's limitation value. The default backdrop size limit is 29.5 centimeters or 11.6 inches. As you can see, the height of the selected image has been scaled down. Now, if you proceed, the imported image is 29.5 centimeters or 11.6 inches because it was automatically resized. Still, you may import an image at a higher resolution if you wish. In this case, the imported image is bigger. You can change the backdrop size limit if you like from the software options. Or you may adjust the image size upon importing if you like. So now you know how to select a bitmap image, select a portion or resize it before importing it, and proceed with the handling options. In the following videos, we will present the bitmap handling options.